Hello friends! Good morning! Today is the next day. Last night, or yesterday, I think I'm going to add this one from yesterday's vlog kasi I think konti lang yung vlog ko yesterday. So hello big, oh you cannot see it, pimple here. Hindi siya masakit pero nandyan siya. Ayan, it's so weird. I'm planning to apply salicylic acid para mag-flatten. Kasi meron pa rin dito. It's so weird. Ayan, meron. The culprit is secret. I'm gonna tell you kung ma-upload ko na yung video na yun. But for now, cannot tell you. But it is so sad. So here's my kilay for today, guys. How do you like my kilay? Comment below if you want me to do an updated eyebrow routine. Kasi I really been loving how my eyebrows are looking like these days. So our hairstyle is just like this. I have it in a rubber band. Mainit, it's summer already. My hair, I'm planning to cut my hair shorter but I don't know yet. Yan, so very simple. I just put a little eyeshadow dito sa outer corner of my eye para hindi naman masyadong sad face tayo. And then mascara. Ayan, tapos yung Sophie na lip and cheek tint. Grabe talaga yung Sophie. Red na red. Konti lang yung nilagay ko. As in, konti. Ganitong size lang ng pimple ko. Pero, ayan. Masyado siyang red. Tapos, later on, mag-red pa rin to. I don't know. It was so weird but I like it kasi hindi siya natatanggal. Yeah, unlike the Ever Belena one. So, yan. Kakain muna tayo ng lunch and aalis tayo and I'm gonna see you later. Yeah. Here's Capitol, yung traffic, gabi, nandyan yung Capitol guys. Diyan kami before.
Inasal.
Ha?
Diyan kami inasal.
Inasal ikaw, giasal ka?
Eh?
Giasal ka?
Di ako idako.
Diyan ka giasal. Grabe ka, traffic, ang init. It's raining but it's so hot. It'll end this year. So we're home again. Yeah, I have a pimple, I knew it. This one. Bakit may pimple ako? Oh, Hala guys, we're home na. Gabi na. It's 7:30 almost. And hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Mas worse today kaysa yesterday. Si ate ba? Ayaw niyang masali sa vlog. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just vlog tomorrow kasi tomorrow will be I'm gonna tell you later or tomorrow what will be tomorrow kasi may something. May mangyayari tomorrow. So, I'll just maybe combine yesterday, today, and tomorrow's vlog kasi wala talaga. I was busy and I did not have time to get the phone. And there's bakit ang ingay ng mga Dodge doon? Oh, si Maui nag-ano. Nag-ingay-ingay sila ni Miguel. So, yun na lang guys. I'm gonna look at my video kasi may papublish ako na video tonight. Because today is Wednesday. So, I'm gonna check on that and share it on Facebook. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Yes,
the next day.
Big buddy. Go.
And for grade 10 is Miss Trinidad. To assist the principal for grade 7, Miss Sasha Morito.
So, we're done. It's already 4:30 in the afternoon. Ayan si mother. Cherokee.
Seaman na yung papalit niya.
Yaw-yaw dun siya nagwayway. Tapos we are just waiting for Baba kasi si Baba na lang yung kulang. 450 pa daw sila. So, ayan yung ano ni ate. Yeah, 450. Mga churvanas ni Risa siya. So, ambot, kakain tayo, Jer.
I don't know, it's taking.
Ha? Kakain na si Mama. Kabaw, baka nga ni Kuyog si Mama. Of course, kakain siya. Hindi mo alam. Ikaw. Yay, na are here. Ate, congrats tuli on out. Di mo na ka matuli, no?
Nag-video si Panimuanan.
Yeah, nag-video siya. So, we are going to go to Majestic. Magti-take out lang kami guys kasi hindi makasama si Ruby kasi ang sakit-sakit. Masakit yung ano niya, yung paa niya. So, he cannot walk properly. So, sabi niya, hindi na lang kami kakain dito. We will just going to have take out para makasama din namin kumain si Lololoy. Mamaya. So, third floor. Uy, dira. Sunod. You forgetting?
Ano mo gamay mo blouse at least?
And then, ayan, si Anma sa likuran. So, after this, pupunta kami ng grocery para bili din kami ng mainom, yung drinks, soft drinks. Tapos, potato corner ate, no? Asa man nga potato corner? Dito lang sa babaw. Ika na lahat to. Magkuyog ta or ibili na to si Anma, no? Yan. So, see you later. Andoon yung Majestic. And then, bibili din sa ate ng potato because she likes potato.
Og melted.
Dili, uy. Sabad lang. Nyo.
Ano na mo?
So, me and Sashi's going to buy Coke first. Dahil, no? Coke mo Pepsi. Depende kasi zero yung bibili namin. So, kung walang Coke zero, de Pepsi zero. Mo na ako Coke Pepsi. Of course, nandito kami sa seaside. Ayaw na, Ana. Uy! Yuha, bad-bad na ginis ate. Dahil she. So, here at Potato Corner. Tapos, anong ginamit na name ni ate? Sashi. Perfect na. Pag-Grace ang gamito ni Sashi kay either Grace or Chris. Now, Sashe. Hi, Sharon. Sheila Marie. Kain na ng what? Serving spoon?
Mahurot na, Bim.
Wow, kalami. This is from Majestic. Majestic na, no? Majestic restaurant. Yan. Kain tayo. This is chicken. Butter chicken set. Ang sarap guys. 990 lang. Tapos si Anma, senior, pila na lang. Pila na lang. 9? Ano ba
minus
talaga?
90.
Wow, yan oh. Ang dami guys. Kain tayo.
A few moments later.
Of course, here is my plate. Unang foodie is ito. Sweet and sour. Ang sarap ng ano nila talaga guys. Cannot be compared yung sweet and sour, no? Na pork,
Akan chicken.
tsaka fish, tsaka yung butter chicken, tsaka ito lahat.
Fish,
yung
nalagay to my fish.
Wala, pero nagpalit na datong fish sa una, diba? Yan. The best. So guys, we just finished, not finished pala, we just finished pala. We already finished eating and already fed the dogs. Tapos na din sila kumain, tsaka yung mga cats. And then it's already 8 and I think I need to say goodnight now. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And also don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. That was helpful. So I'll see you in the next one, and thanks again for watching. Good night.